Thomas with Houston Paint Protection, here to answer more frequently asked questions about paint protection film. In this case specifically, how to maintain your paint protection film once it's been installed on the vehicle. Maintaining paint protection film is super simple. As long as you have a quality install, and in this case, a quality product, this one is going to be closer to a set it and forget it type product. So when we do our installs, we use a 10-year film with a full warranty, and then we have a specific follow-up scheduled for about 2 to 3 weeks after your appointment. So you can come in, we can make sure everything is solid, and then you're good to go for the long term. And what that long term looks like really is just keeping an eye on the paint protection film. Just like ceramic coatings, we do encourage that you wash the vehicle roughly once a month, especially if this is a vehicle that lives outside all of the time. Simply because you just don't want a lot of buildup and contamination and things getting embedded into the film over time. So keeping it clean somewhat frequently goes a long way in preventing an aesthetic breakdown of the film from over-contamination or neglect. Outside of a normal wash schedule, I do recommend that you keep either a rinseless wash product or a detail spray on hand, and we give everybody a sample of our detail spray when they leave for PPF packages to wipe off any kind of one-off instances from the film. So if you get a big bird bomb on the film, or there's a bunch of dead bugs on the front end, or some kind of splatter from a chemical or paint on the road or whatever it is, we always recommend you get that off as soon as possible. The top coat of the paint protection film is very robust. It has a lot of resistance to pitting, embedded contamination, staining, and things like that. But like any other surface, it is not 100% immune. This is a long-term product. Most people who are getting paint protection film want to protect their vehicle for the long term, and obviously they want it to look good. So this is why we always encourage people to wipe off the surface of the film from any of these one-off instances. That way they don't accumulate any kind of etching or staining or embedded contamination or pitting that reduces the aesthetic appearance of the paint protection film. So when you're 5, 6, 7, 10 years deep in your ownership, it still looks appealing, and that little bit of attention pays dividends and keeps it looking new. Beyond that, there is nothing else that you need to consider. Keep it clean, keep big things from sitting on the film for too long, and as long as you have a quality product and quality install, you should have no problems having it look fresh for many years. If you're considering paint protection film for your new vehicle, please visit us at HoustonPaintProtection.com or swing by the shop in person, and we'll be happy to walk you through the options.